Josie.
And I'm Kayla.
We're gonna figure out what a water cycle is.
What a water cycle can do. So we're gonna do a craft. What are the things that we need, Josie?
We need markers and pencils and tape and scissors.
What else do we need?
Plates.
And
clips.
a clothespin. So let's start with the clothespin. What do we need to do with it?
We have to put on a pencil.
Can you show us your pencil? And what you did with it?
We clipped on here and put raindrops on them.
How many raindrops did you do?
3, like my mom did.
Oh, 3 raindrops. So let's look at your plate.
We put trees,
The grass,
and
the
grass,
ground.
and the water, and fish. And it's hot outside.
Why is it hot outside?
Because that's what they do.
What is that?
Sun.
The sun makes it hot. And then what are these?
Clouds, rain clouds.
Rain clouds. Condensation.
Condensation.
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
Collection.
Collection.
Evaporation.
Evaporation.
That is where the water collects in the pond, and the sun makes it so hot that it evaporates into the sky, right? And it collects in these clouds, and when the clouds get too heavy, it rains, and it's called precipitation. And it goes into the ground, in the soil, and the plants. But when it rains too much,
it goes into the pond.
it collects right back to the water. That's why it's called a water cycle. Because if you watch Josie, go ahead and spin it around. Other way. Yep, it cycles all the way around. And then it does it again and again. That is called the water cycle. So, now that you know everything you need to make your craft, you can do it at home too.
Yep, but make sure you pipes.
When the clouds get too heavy, it precipitates and rains into the ground. It collects in the pond, evaporates into the sky, then condensation happens in the clouds, and then when it gets too heavy, precipitation. Make it rain. Precipitation. We're gonna put it up. We're gonna put it above our pond. Our pond already has some water in it, and we're gonna put our cloud with the water inside the cloud. Because when clouds get too heavy, it rains, and that's called precipitation. Wow! And all we need is a Ziploc bag, markers, and we used a tack to poke holes in the bottom of our bag. Why are we poking holes?
We can put water in them.
Yes, and the water's going to come out of the holes, and it's going to look like rain. We'll see if we can make your cloud rain. Is your cloud raining?
Yeah.
That's called precipitation. Isn't that cool?
Okay, do you need more? Not raining.
You're collecting my rain.
We might need more. Squeeze it.
We should have made some more holes at the bottom. Collection. Do you remember what collection is?
It's when we did the plates.
Yeah, we did it on the plate activity. But do you remember what it was on the plates?
No.
You said it was your favorite. It's got fishies in it?
It's the pond.
The pond. Pond is one example of collection, but there's a lot of different things of collection. What else holds water? Other than ponds, what else can hold water?
Flowers.
Well, flowers drink water. But what other things are kind of like bowls? The sun makes it hot. And what happens to water when it gets hot?
It evaporates.
Yes, that's why it's called evaporation.
Yeah.
So the water that we have here, the pond, is getting hot because of the sun. And it's going to start boiling. And all the steam is going to come up and evaporates into the air.
I'm making the sun get it. Hi.
Hi. So our sun has made our water hot, which caused evaporation.
Yeah.
And it makes the water go up into the sky. And then it collects into a cloud, creating condensation. So we're gonna let this evaporate for a little while onto our cloud. And we're gonna see if there's condensation on our cloud, which just means it's wet. You wanna tell me if it's wet when I flip it over?
Okay. It's wet.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Touch it. Is it really wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really wet. So you guys can do that craft at home
I don't have
and make your own pond with a pot of water. We found out if you put tape on your cloud, the water doesn't soak into the plate. So you can actually see the condensation. So have fun. Thanks for learning with us.
Thanks for watching. Bye.